What we saying, boys? What we saying, family? How we all doing, boys and girls? Welcome to the live. Where is the song that we listen to every morning? Yes, FYP still doesn't quite remember that I play. Come on. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, let me know what pairs we're all looking at, boys. Oh, fucking hell, bruv. Look, you're on the heart of the edge of discovery. It's summer, no rush, my shit. Mate, I play the same fucking duty-free music every day. And if I don't play it on my FYP, then I search for it to be played. Fuck me. Oh shit, it got deleted. Okay. Morning, what you saying, Mehmet? What you saying, Cleary? Tommy, what you saying? George, your dad, Pew, Cleary. Big up, trapping my dreams, what you saying? Waiting on you to tap me in, fair play. Why can't I hear that? Oh, there we go. Morning, Mez. You should start listening to it in your free time. I pop up. Bro. Alright, let's get the hype going in the Discord, boys. Get it going, get the hype going. I'm just about to send out the live link and then we'll get into the charts for you, man. So let me know what pairs we're looking at. Everything. I'm gonna get to work. I've got my lime here. I'm gonna munch this lime. And we're gonna get cracking, boys. Just loading up the TikTok live. But who's ready for a good day of trading though? People are joining, 57 man. Big up to everyone with notifications on the channel. I mean on the live. Big up to fucking everyone. This Mood V guy, big him up. Live on YouTube and TikTok. YouTube. Yeah, I mean, I think everyone's mainly looking at EU. Is anyone looking at GU? Is anyone looking at GU? Cool, let me get this TikTok stream. Oh, mate, shut up! This guy's trim, bro. I'm gonna have to turn on my face cam just for this. And we'll turn it back on in a sec. This guy's haircut. How come every fucker and their nanny is seemingly in that field zone? Bruv. Go, little rock star. Ding, ding, ding. Alright, sweet. Announcement has been set, boys. Let's see what we're saying. Cool. Actually, wait, let me quickly. Let me put a t-shirt on quickly. 2 secs, chat. Fucking t-shirt on. Even though it's about 500 degrees. We're gonna fucking put a t-shirt on. Boom. That's a mad transition on TikTok. It looks like I just... Alright. Cool. Let me read the chat then, boys. What we saying? Best send this one in quickly. Even though it's going to give me some power lag. What you saying, Stu? Let me move my camera down now. This is where it hates it. It hates it if I try and move it. It has genuinely has an aneurysm. Okay, nice. We saying, boys, 2 secs. This is so laggy. Like, so laggy. God knows what it looks like on YouTube. But, shit, this is laggy. Let me just close that page. Morning, everyone. What we saying? GJ Schultz, are you long? Waiting for you long to tap me in. Are you long? What you saying? Yes, Lou, what you saying? What you saying? Chaz, what you saying? Tommy, V, got your dad, David, SY, what you saying, everyone? Josh, EU longs look clean. Yeah, trust, bro. Lou, are you entering this trade? If you want to know if I'm entering this trade, get in the signals, boys. Yes, lads, what you saying? Got my spliff, laptop, and brew. Let's make some pee. Come on, Cleary. Let's go. EU longs off 50% of the IFEG. Fair play. My entry's a bit discounted. I just got tapped in an EU. Nice. GU for me. My GU lost earlier. What was you looking for? Same trim as you, innit? Allow it. El Slepper, I've heard you got a fucking ball sack trim, bro. You got like 3 hairs on a bald head. GU sells for me, but SL almost hit. Alright, some people are on GU sells. Let's have a look. Slappo, try refreshing or deleting your pair. Alright, cool. Let's get into it then. Let me first get the see, tapping on that weekly to open really nicely as well. We mark that out in like grey or something. So you can see the daily to open and the weekly to open both doing nice levels for these for this trade. Alright, before we get into any more comments, boys, I'm gonna have to back this. I'm gonna have to get this down me. So chat, YouTube, let's set the like goal for this stream. YouTube, let's get 20k over the whole stream on YouTube. Let's get 60 likes on 20k TikTok, 60 likes on YouTube. Big up to everyone. If you got your lemon or your lime and you're joining in with this one, big up to you. Let's go. Cheers, boys. This ain't nice. It's this string bit at the end I'm going to choke on one day. You know, I'm not going to eat the stringy bit because I don't want to die on stream. Actually, fuck it, I've got to really, innit? A bare string though, I can't eat the string. Can't eat the string, bro. I have to eat it in bits. Die eating this shit, man. Fuck it. I'm just gonna down it. Boom. It's down us. Morning, my boy. How you doing? I'm all good, Thanos. How you doing, bro? Apologies for the lag. Can't really do much about it. It's about 35 degrees in where I am. In sunny United Kingdom. Where's the Save Europe tune? No, Mehmet wants that. I'm staying now. Oh, you're opening this position. If you want to know if I'm getting in, then get at me on Discord, boys. Or get in the Signals group, brother. Some people already went for GU shorts apparently and got cooked. I mean, with this, you can just see he's just going against the trend, right? Overall, we are bullish, you can see, really. If you look on the daily chart as well, we had that CRT of that candle, which has now been completed. If we look at EU as well, EU's a bit awkward because we did actually take the Friday high. But if we look at the 4 hour, we can see a nice sort of manipulation of all the candles, and we've also got a 4 hour imbalance here as well, which has been filled. Everyone let me know where your entries are. Let me know where everyone's entries are, boys, on this. If you're watching on YouTube, double tap. A lot of red EUs at 9. Risky to take the trade, is there? I don't think there is. Yeah, there's not. Am I bugging, or is it just... No, there's not, bro. There's not red news at 9, bro. It is not. There's literally nothing. There's orange at 10, but that's it. Yeah, we're cushy on news, boys, to be honest. Lou, lad, you need some sleep. Why'd you say that? Bruv, coming from you, Corey. What strategy? Longs from here. I don't need no sleep, bro. Oh, mate, I can't even. Some of the fucking things are you, Corey. You in that fucking van on the way to work. Oh, mate. You used to make me crease back in the day. Oh. Sweatbox, feel like I'm in the Amazon rainforest. Yeah, it's peak, bro. It's peak. I look worse, I can't say shit. On my effects book, it's red. Hey, when will the funded be on my dash? Yeah, they're all being sent around today, so all the accounts are passed and allocated, so it's just up to the prop firm now. They're just sending them all around. It's where they've only just migrated to MetaTrader. They've only just migrated. Which is why. Yeah, we got news at 10, that's it. What are you saying on EG? Let's have a look at EG. Is this going to be a problem then whenever it's sunny? It's just like... Anyone know how to fix this problem on TradingView? I can only scroll left and right, not up or down. It's locked in. Yeah, I think you've turned on the adjust the auto thing. It's not there on laptop, but I think it's this button, or like it's down there, innit? Can't actually remember where it is, but it's like an auto button or it auto adjusts. I don't know why anyone would want it. EG, I'm not really looking at EG that much, I'll be honest. We're at a decent little level now. We're at this order block. but for me, it just doesn't look too appealing. Fucking hell, what's this EU doing? Oh, -3. We have tapped into this order block, so we can potentially start looking for reversals. Where it's the end of a candle, I don't really like it. You sort of want to see a bit of CRT. But we do have a higher here. We've got a higher there. So we can wait for that to be taken. If that is taken, we can potentially be looking at buys. And then we've also got a 1 minute imbalance, which, I mean, it's been closed above, to be fair. So I suppose you can consider that if you want. Looking at the overall leg, if you wanted something more concrete. If you wanted something more concrete, you would wait for this 5 minute inversion. The reason why this is a good fair value gap chat is because we've got 1, 2, 3 candles, and the middle one was the distribution candle which left the gap. So that's like a perfect example of a fair value gap. Big up to everyone on these stream, boys. We got 120 on YouTube. We got 50 on here, nearly 50. Always see you on For You page, and we have exactly the same trades on EU. Lovely, bro. You must have cooked yesterday then. Who was here yesterday on the stream, boys? Let me know in the chat if you was here yesterday. I jumped off before we hit TP. But, yeah, we had 2 absolutely unreal trades. Well, yeah, this one, obviously this was the main one. This one here was the main entry. And then I'll put on and then this one here was the re-entry. So both banging entries on EU, caught on the live from start to finish. So make sure you are watching, boys, these streams every day. Yeah, EG looks like it could be doing something. It could be, so I'll have a look. London session I cooked, but New York I lost my head. Yeah, bro, I don't trade New York. There's no need, no point. Literally no point. If you trade the London session, why trade New York as well? We just trade the London session. That's all you need to do. 6% yesterday. Lovely, bro. Lovely. I weren't here, but I cooked. Let's go. Yeah, ALG, man. Cooked yesterday. It's been absolutely smashing it recently. Yes, Harry. What you saying, bro? I've had 5 hours sleep past 2 days. Car, yeah, that is horrible. Horrible, lad. If I missed any comments, boys, just put them in again. Just put them in the chat again. Lewis, EU tapped you in? Yeah, I'm not sure, bro. It's on my phone, so I don't even know. I feel like FTMO got its own price action, like I'm trading view, but still not MT5. Yeah, I'll just adjust it, bro. I'll just adjust it. So if it's like a little bit short of your levels, then you just got to adjust it. Like, oh shit, yeah, this would have tapped in then. I swear that wasn't there before. I swear that level just got lower, but fairs. Entry was 7-8. Tapped into the pit, basically. So yeah, let's see if we can clear these highs now. When we filled the imbalance, right? So there's no reason why we shouldn't now push up. With the ALG, is there anything else to look for, literally, other than the sweep of Asia, FEG, and IFEG? That's it. So, if you're trading the Asia liquidity grab, like based off my streams and based off my YouTube videos, and you haven't got in a mentorship or anything like that, you're wondering, is it literally just that? Now, what I say to do is, for a beginner, you just want to trade the ALG as said. So, literally, sweep of Asia, FEG, IFEG, that sort of stuff. Literally, purely on that. Because the minute you start like pissing about with it and changing it, you're going to go wrong, right? It's like, what can I compare it to? It's like, say you want to bake a cake, yeah? You want to bake a simple cake. If you bake just a simple cake with like 4 ingredients, it'll probably come out all right. But then if you try to add like 3, 4 other ingredients that you don't really understand, you're going to ruin the whole cake, and you would have been better just making the simpler one. It's the same with trading, right? If you're just learning this strategy, and just trade it very simply how I told you on YouTube and on streams. it's going to be better once you learn the more in-depth way to trade it. But if you're trading the in-depth way badly, it's worse, right? So you want to trade a simple strategy well rather than a more complex strategy badly, which is why, obviously, if you get in the mentorship, I'll teach you the other aspects that come into the ALG, how you can make it even more powerful. But for now, if you're just watching on YouTube and whatnot, then yeah, man, just stick to what's simple. Mentorship is worth it. I was in there for over a year. Helped me so much. Let's go, bro. What the fuck? I'm literally in the same setup. I ended off the SysD instead. Fair play. Fair play, bro. Let's go. EU longs, EU longs. What are you thinking on EU buys? Yeah, ALG is back being good, man. It's easy, simple, the way we want. That's it, bro. That's it. Lou, loving the YouTube. That CRT vid was easy to understand and have got my phase 2 back to prof by using it. Big up, bro. Big up to you. I'm glad that it's helping you. It helps so much for daily bias, man. Helps so much for daily bias. 14% last month on 100k funded is why. Let's go, bro. Yeah, it's a bit of a peak drawdown, but Bree tapped on that imbalance. So let's see how we do. Yeah, I'm not even sure if... Let's say that. If I missed any comments, boy, just say them again. Bro, is Alpha Capital 100% certified? I'm going to use your code. Yeah, bro. Alpha Capital is 100% certified. If you're wondering, they are regulated in the UK. Well, I believe they're regulated in the UK. But they're like the biggest prop firm in the UK, innit? And as things go, the UK is a pretty trustworthy like regulation. Probably more trustworthy than America. But that's besides the point, really. Even I think TJR partnered with ACG recently. But yeah, they are very, very good, bro. Money, they are very, very good. We got loads and loads of traders in our Discord trading them. But yeah, man, money ACG is 30, yeah. 100%, many people in there add powers. Yeah, I'll tell you what, bro, actually, you can, if you go to this website called Payout, what's it called? Payout Tracker or something, innit? It's going to be a bit laggy, but... Payout Junction, that's it. So we go Payout Junction. And we type up Alpha Capital Group. Or we look for Alpha Capital Group. Where are they? Piss off. Alright, so we look for Alpha Capital Group. So, in the last 24 hours, they've paid out $83,000. They've had 54 payouts in the last 24 hours. Their largest single payout in the last 24 hours was 10 grand. And their average payout in the last 24 hours was 1.5 grand. And their exact latest payout was 55 minutes ago. Which if you compare it to a lot of these firms, 4 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours, 16 hours, hour and a half, you know what I mean? Quite long, 2 hours, 10 hours, 19, 17. You can see these firms funded next and whatever. But Alpha Capital Group is right up there, 55 minutes and 80 grand paid out just today. So, yeah, man, go ahead and get your account with Alpha Capital Group. Use my code Riches, same as my name on TikTok, same as my name on YouTube. Just Riches, all capitals. If you're on YouTube, links in the bio of my YouTube videos as well. If you want to go through my link. And just send a screenshot of you using that, boys, and I'm going to get you in the mentorship or signals for free. Just for showing love to that. Appreciate it, bro. Does the ALG work all year round? If you man are wondering, I'm live on YouTube as well, innit? So I'm reading both chats. 2 secs. ALG does work all year round, bro. But the thing is with it worked better at different months. So that's why we're really big on discipline. You'll have a month, like you've been watching these streams, you'll realise we've had an entry near enough every single fucking day. Like near enough every day. But there will be months where you're going to get 1-2 entries the entire month. And that's when discipline comes into it. So it's just about trading all year round. It always works, but it's just at different paces, you know. It's in the Discord, Erwin. What's the indicator called? Yeah, bro, it's called the Riches indicator. It's this one here. Sessions, ranges, and equilibriums by Riches FX. So just get into the Discord and we'll give that to you for free, bro. It's just not available on the store. GU hit TP previous New York high. What did you do that on, Ronald? You reckon ACG is good spread because I had them and they were shit. But I'll be real, bro. All the good prop firms have dead spreads. FTMO have literally like one of the worst spreads out of any prop firm I've used. But yeah, ACG spreads ain't the best, but they're not bad. What the hell? Why didn't you enter at 50% of the range? Because the RR was just a little bit better, bro. It was literally just about a 2-1 on 50%, I believe. Not really much happening right now. GU, fair play. Show your entry on MetaTrader 5 then, fella. I'm literally on my phone right now. I don't know how I'll be able to do that. Plus, I don't know why people say that, like Stephen Kerr. People say that as like a gotcha. If I'm sitting here trading, why am I going to not trade? Like, why would I not put this trade on? Like, what? Do you think I want to stare at this for 2 hours, like, with not being in it? Fiver spreads are good, fair play. EU longs now to highs. Yeah, I mean, the price action's weird. We are getting a bit, it's just accumulating a bit, which I don't really like. I don't really like that too much, you can see. Pretty heavy accumulation, but we did have that grab there. That was a nice grab. Plus, the 4 hours looking nice. Obviously, that low there, that Asia low is also the 4 hour low, so. Surely there will be quite a few times we get faked out into entering but hits SL. There are a few times, bro, but that's why you got to wait for your confirmations. Lou loves a plug. Wait, what? Didn't get tapped in, was close to entry, thought it might come back down. Fair play. Where was your entry at, David? If I missed any comments on YouTube as well, boys, just put them in again. Let's try hit 60 likes on YouTube on this stream, boys. Recommended funding next. I recommend Alpha Capital Group, bro. Didn't get tapped, but funding next ain't bad, bro. Funding next are good, yeah. Do you say 5% target for the month is good to get the consistency? Yeah, bro. If you watch my most recent video on YouTube, I literally say like you should be aiming for 5%. That's what you should be aiming for. I enter V. God could just tap me in. Fair play. What the fuck is a VGOC? VGOC's comments. Oh yeah, they are. What are you saying, VGOC? Recently just joined. Do you always trade Asia Sweep? Yeah, bro. It's our textbook strategy. We trade it every single day, 7 AM to 10 AM, and then we're done for the day. The best way to trade in the fucking game. Recently, have you entered yet? Yeah, bro. But obviously, if you want my exact entry and stuff, then all that's in the signals. Bear accumulation. Trust me, bro. GA shorts, maybe GBPAUD. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Any other pairs we're looking at, boys, let me know. Mark my words, we will complete 4 hour CRT. Yeah, if we look at the CRT, it is looking decent. Does everyone understand what we're looking at? If you don't, then let me know in the chat and I can try and explain it. Lou, you see the 2 AM 1 hour candle CRT, would it still be valid? Yeah, that is nice. Nice. Oh, wait, 1 hour or 2 hour? What's up, bro? Target Asia highs. Yeah, bro. My entry is always top of the FVG. Why is yours at the bottom? Better RR, bro. I got my TP hit by liquidity, got out green today. Lovely. Love to hear it. Funding pips on top, fair play. The 2 AM 1 hour candle. Oh. Yeah, so I'll definitely consider that to be CRT. If we look at that, you're going to have to try and ignore everything else. Let me actually hide the indicators. So if we look at that big candle there, the reason we're focusing in on it is because it's a big candle. It's a nice big candle. That's what we want. So when we take the low of it, like this candle has, and then close back within the range, we want all the other candles to really just rally up to the high. So that's what we're really looking at. We more want the 4 hour to be completed just to give us that confirmation, but that 1 hour is nice. So we've obviously got 50 minutes for this to be completed. An exact same trade, but no 5-minute displacements. I'm worried it might take out London lows. We do have displacement, bro. CRT stands for candle range theory. I've got a video I put on my YouTube the other day. What is CRT? So if you don't know how to trade it, boys, don't worry. Just watch that vid, and you'll be sweet. It's very simple. It's basically when we have a candle like this, we take the low out, take out the low of the candle. So this is a candle. We take out the low and then close back within that candle range. That means that it's a sweep, a liquidity sweep of this candle. So this candle swept this candle, and then we want the rest of it to push up. Right, nice. We're actually fully tapping in now. So everyone who was really looking at this, probably going to be tapped in now. It's heavy though. Definitely heavy. Not really much to the upside, to be fair. Let me get rid of this for a sec. Not really much we could be reacting off of to the upside, so yeah. Sort of just moving sideways. We do sometimes get this, boys, when we have news, obviously, later on in the day, for the pound, as we do today. We do sometimes get just that jarring, like a little accumulation, sort of at price action, but hopefully we don't get that today. But just bear in mind we can get that. We can get it on news days, boys, so just bear in mind. GBP AUD, I'll have a look in a sec, bro. No, I don't understand. Wait, what? 777 bottom of FEG, yes, sweet. What about the other candles that swept the low before? Yeah, it doesn't really matter. We can sweep it more than once. Just got tagged in on EU, fair play. I think a lot of people's getting tagged in now on EU. The stop loss is quite big. It's like a 10 pip stop loss, so they have pure conviction if price closes above the 4 hour low. Yeah, bro. Is that the sweep of the daily candle? Nah, it's a 4 hour, bro. Who is the person on your TikTok? Oh, it's my mate who I do this with, bro. We both run it together. I'm not gonna lie, it's a filthy 5-minute candle. It's a filthily bearish 5-minute candle. We got to hope that we're tapping into this order block now, or we could be a little bit cooked. Could be just slightly cooked. Got this order block here, which we've just tapped into. So even if it's just... Alright, assuming everyone's been spreaded in now. Actually see what we're saying. Cool. Just got tagged in the EU, nice. Yeah, let me know what pairs we're looking at. I will have a look at GBP AUD, but it's just a pair no one really trades in it. But we will have a look. I will have a look. Alright, let's have a look at GBP AUD. Let me know any other pairs you man are trying to trade. Actually, let's look at EG first. Yeah, EG obviously moved down since then. Obviously got our swing high here. Let me get rid of this. So obviously you want to break that high to have a change of character. And then this high to have a pre-break. So they're the levels we really want to break. Would really help us as well if the euro was a bit stronger, I'm not going to lie. So if we can rally, then would be nice. News in 45, yeah. Only orange folder though. Only orange folder. just see how we doing it. This guy. What's your opinion on beans on toast? Banging. Beans on toast is banging. Is it you for everyone asking? Yeah, I'll turn the indicator on in a sec. Go away! Let me tell this guy to go away. I'm bad. Could you keep begging it by inviting me, bro? I've declined you 3 times and you keep inviting, man. Leave yourself. Bro, keeps popping up on my screen. I saw this entry, but I wanted price to fall. I think it has to fill the 4-hour gaps. We'll see. That guy, bro, was just non-stop spam inviting me. Like, oh, how you doing, mate? I'm bad, bro. It's like someone persistently knocking on your door for like 4 hours. And you answer the door. Oh, hello, how are you? I'm not very good, mate, actually, as it happens. You just interrupted what I've fucking been doing. EG is at 50% of the 4-hour order block. Fair play. I took this exact trade. I took the trade but exited because GBP took the highs. I feel like there'll be SMT to the down. I'm not going to lie, bro. You should get better psychology, bro. You've literally been tapped in for a few minutes. Like, tapped in for a few minutes, gone a few pips up, a few pips down, and you're out. Like, how do you expect to ever survive a trade, bro? Asia liquidity while we took this trade, bro. What time frame are you looking at? We are looking at, it says down there, bro, the 5-minute. EU should definitely move up fundamentally, just needs to push past them highs. Yeah, trust me, bro. Just need a nice sort of 10-15 minutes of momentum. No, because I was meant to enter on GBP where there was an SMT going on, but I missed it. Oh, fair play, so you got in late. Fair play. Yeah, TP's looking like Asia higher. Cheesy beans on toast is top 3 UK foods. Bro, beans on toast is absolutely banging. I can't lie. If you don't rate beans on toast, you're just not cool, bro. I'll be honest. You're just not cool, innit? You're just not cool. Other day was lit, bro. It's so peak. Like, every time I look forward, I look like an idiot. But I have to, because I can't see the comments. Like, I've got my phone in a phone stand up to here. So I've got to lean forward. Think I'm have beans on toast now. Yeah, make that. Make that. Other day was literally 0.1 off getting stopped. Day, just hold your Zimmy. Come on. Zimmy, Corey, come on. Cheese on, add some cheese, yeah, trust me. I can see it, it's going down, bro, fair play. Just ask that crystal ball when I'm going to pass away as well, so I can try and avoid that. If you man had a crystal ball and you could ask it 3 things, what would you ask? Actually, you could ask it 1 thing, what would you ask it? News in about 45 mins, fair play. You reckon someone can do well only trading EU alone? 100%, bro. I only trade EU, GU, and then EG a little bit. Mainly EU and GU. Getting the proper hang of it now, Louis. Best mentor in the game, brother. Big up, David. That's what I'm saying, man. Once you're taught the right things, it's just about consistency and sticking to it. And I knew that you would be able to do that, bro. So I'm glad you're doing well. Have you tried beans on bagel? Nah, I've never tried that. I can't lie. Beans on a bagel. It's a bit mad. Do you close the trade at 11 no matter what? Nah, bro, I'll leave it open till whenever. I'll leave it open to my TP or stop loss, but I won't enter a trade past 10. We trade 7 to 10. That's when we have the London kill zone, which is the most, obviously, the most momentum for the London session. Neither, I'm waffling. Hardest thing is psychology when it comes to trading. Trust me, bro. It's facts. Facts. What's your risk? Oh, you want to fund it? I risk 1% on my funded, bro. That's the 5-minute time frame. It says the pair and the time frame down the bottom right. My YouTube and my Instagram is there, and my Discord's there, boys. So screenshot and get in. I ditched GU just to focus only on EU. Yeah, that's valid, bro. That is valid. That's a nice 5-minute candle. Can't lie. It is. That's what I mean. If we have the next 10 minutes just like that, then we're alright. We're laughing, but we need to break these highs. At least we're properly tapped in now. You had that lemon or lime yet, bro? Yeah, man. I had that straight away, bro. I had that straight away when I was on live. said the like goal, then pop that. That's why I feel just awake right now. It's like 9:20 over there. That's it, bro. 9:20, man. 9:20 in the morning. 9:20 in the morning. It is nice and hot over here in the UK. Normally there's bare building or whatever outside my gaff. Today it is nothing. I think everyone's just chilling. Do you do these live YouTube lives every day? They're bare informative. Every single day, bro. I'm live every single London session. So there is 2 of us. I go live for the London session every single day. And Mace will go live for the New York session every single day. Alright, so London and New York session, every single day we are live. But make sure you get in the Discord as well, boys, because that's where we talk about the majority of the stuff we do. Come on, man. Need a bit of movement. Appreciate the follows, boys. Everyone double tap the screen. Let's get 20k likes in here. Get 20k likes up in here. I'm going to do a discount code. If we hit a like goal, I'm going to do a discount code. But yeah, we're live every day for more wishes. Yeah, mums. It's a little loophole there. Little loophole there. You ever use 2% risk or only 1%? Only 1%, bro. On a challenge, I'll sometimes risk 2% because it's just like, why not, I suppose, but... Let's break these highs. TP's at Asia High for me. How is your session indicator called? Go on the Discord, bro. Go to the Discord there and get in. I'll send it to you. Just ask for the Discord. How long have you been doing these lives? Literally about 2 years, bro. 2.5 years. I only started doing them on YouTube, though, like 6 months ago. I used to always just do them on TikTok, but... Yeah, man, this YouTube's going to soon be the biggest on the net. You'll soon catch this with 1 million subscribers. This will soon be the only trading channel to average over like 10k views per live, bro. I'll be doing fucking FaZe Lacy numbers, bro. I'll be doing like FaZe Lacy, fucking... Who else you got? Like, Rakai, all these, man. I'll be doing the same numbers as them doing trading. You watch, boys, trust. Be the first streamer to do like... actually good stuff, not just brain rot. Trust. How long did it take to become profitable? About 2 years, bro. What's your average win rate? 50%, bro, and my average RR is 3-1. And I don't place that many trades. I only trade the London session. 14 degrees in Ireland, raining. Oh my days, bro. That is horrible. It's nearly like 32 degrees here, I think. Nice. Go on, boy. That's what we like to see, chat. That's what we like to see. Let's get some W's in the chat. Let's get some W's in the chat. Let's go. Let's break these highs. Come on. Let's break these highs. Let's break these highs. Come on. Come on. Break them. Let's break these highs. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, boys, let's go. Nice push up. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Surely you're not profitable then if your win rate is 50%, taking at as many wins as losses. Yeah, OJC, so this is a massive thing with trading, bro. And do not be fooled by a win rate. Let me tell you this, because what do you do for a living? Cool, you do building and maintenance, yeah? So you know about how to not get ripped off. You know about how there's these little scams out here that seem good or whatever, but you're going to get ripped off. You know about this. So let me explain to you how these men do it, how the trading lot will do the same thing for Mushu. So what they'll do is, right, they'll have a really, really good win rate. Yeah, a win rate, but on a trade that is very easy to win. So this is risk to reward. So this is my loss here. So this is my entry. That's my loss. This is my profit. So this is a risk to reward of 2.68. So that means if I risk £1, I make £2.68. If I risk £100, I make £268, right? If I risk £1,000, 2.68 grand. So if you have a 50% win rate with an average risk to reward, that's what matters. Win rate only matters when you add it to risk to reward ratio. So my average risk to reward is 1 to 3, or 3, we'll call it. And my win rate's 50%. So if I have 10 trades, I'll show you the maths on it. If we have 10 trades, 50% are going to be winners and 50% are going to be losers, right? So that means my risk to reward is 1 to 3, which means my losers lose me 1 and my winners win me 3, all right, percent, all right, or RR or grand, whatever you want to call it. So let's just call it grand. So I've lost 5, so I've lost 5 grand. But then I've won 5 and I've won 3 grand for each. So 3 times 5 is obviously 15, right? Grand. So then my total, if obviously my winners minus my losers, would be 10 grand profit, right? That is because your win rate only matters according to your RR. And this is the thing that these lot do, all the Magunters, all the Harrys, and not what they call the HSs and all this. They'll have a really good win rate, but their RR will be negative, which is so bad. So, for example, you'll win like 5, 6, 7 trades in a row thinking this is amazing. But when you lose that one, it's worth all them winners. So with me, I can lose 2, win 1, and be in profit. With them, you have to win like 20 trades before you can win 1, which is so bad. Because think about your psychology. You win over the whole week, you win, 1 loss, and you're in the negative. It's not how you trade. It's the biggest vamoose. People say, oh, 90% win rate. If someone says 90% win rate, you need to know their average RI. It's so important, boys. It's so important. But that's basically how RR works, innit? So don't get vamoose, don't get finessed. If you want to know someone who's actually honest with you, I'm going to tell you honestly how to approach trading, what you can actually get out of it, like how it actually works. Someone who's made a lot of money from it as well. And yeah, man, get in the Discord. The Discord's there on the right. It's a free Discord. Right, let's go. Just updating the members, boys. We really want to break past these highs. Obviously, we just don't want to have this next half hour look really peak. Because as long as we have the 4 hour on our side, as long as this 4 hour closes above this Asia low, then our 4 hour CRT stands. So like, we just want that to stand. What we don't want is this next half hour to just be really bearish and close like down here. Then I just won't be confident at all, and I'll just assume we're going to lose in it. But it's a really nice 15-minute movement. We just need... Okay, yeah, nice. Let's go. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's freaking go, chat. Let's go. All right, W's in the chat, boys. The high has been broken. Let's hope we can close above it, though. Where's your TP, bro? If you want to know my TP and stop loss and all the rest of that, you've got to get in my signals group, boys. What I'm going to do, if you man hit the like goal that I set at the start of the live, then I'm going to drop a discount code for my signals. This one was sent in to the members, by the way, boys. As always, all my trades are. If you see, You can't really see it, but you can see 8.47 it was sent in. Then you got the, you can't really see, but that's the trade there. And then you got the entry, stop loss, TP. I can full screen it, but it's just long. There you go. TP, entry, stop loss. Boom. So yeah, boys, if you do want to get in the signals, then send me a message. Get at me on Discord or Instagram. Easiest to find me on Discord, boys, I'll be real. My name on Discord is Louis. When you join, you'll see my name in gold. News in 30. You can target so much more. There's no need to, bro. It's not about that. Do you still have a 9 to 5? Nah, bro. Yeah, I've been trading full time for like 2.5 years. Maybe even longer, maybe 3 years. Easy to whack a higher lot on and gamble. That's it, bro. Drop the Discord. Someone drop the link to the Discord, boys. Someone drop that. We all just see the markets differently. That's it, bro. That's why I'm selling. Fair play, mate. Fair play. Need EU to close above the DTO. Yeah, let's get this DTO on. So we've got the daily tropen there. We've got the weekly tropen we've reacted off of pretty nicely so far. We do have this next period of imbalance as well here. So we'll see if price wants to fill this. It's moving very slowly at the moment, but day ruined. Postman just delivered a yellow box line. Ah, oh, yellow box, fine. Peak. My win rate is 30% and I passed. Fair play. Wait, let me read these comments. Sorry, I just missed bare comments. Hang on. I like your vision. I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, that is peak, Chaz. Hold that. Push, EU takeoff. Let's go, boys. What's your RR on this trade? 2.5 to what? Well, 2.7 to 1. Not going to celebrate too soon, Lamal. Sometimes price does some madness. Trust me, bro. Don't worry though, mate. This strategy works every single day. It appears every single day. I trade it every single day on live. Just go on my YouTube, go back. All the streams are recorded. So you can literally go back and watch them. Watch me live trade. Watch me make money yesterday, the day before that. Well, not the day before that, but Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Low win rate versus RR. Do the maths equals W. Yeah, true say. That is it. Literally, bro. Just do the maths. Win rate means fuck all. I risk about 1 to 2%, but earn 2 to 3. Yeah, same as me, bro. My win rate is 30%. I still passed. Fair play. Big push in a sec. Oi, Cleary, you might have that crystal ball, girl. Are you? I can't. Cleary, are you a woman or a man? I've actually never known which one you are. I just know you love a Z. You need to close above DTO. Looks like we're hopefully going to get that on this 5 min. Go chat, come on boys. Let's go, let's get some W's in the comments. People saying EG, we'll have a look at EG. GU shorts, GA shorts. Oh yeah, we'll have a look at GA in a minute, Tommy, bro. Nice push, trust me. Let's go, chat. Come on. Listen, just watch these lives, trade the strategies that I've been telling you to trade, and you will not lose in these markets, boys. Come on. You gotta trust me. Get in the Discord. What other trader? Boys, you man don't understand how fake this industry is. How fake this industry is, boys. There is not a single other trader that will come live, explain to you their strategy, and trade it live. Yeah, you get people that will come on and explain to you their strategy, but then they won't trade it live. Or you get someone on there that will upload a video of them trading with the money on screen. No one will come on, tell you their strategy, explain how it works, and trade it live. People can show you profit screenshots, win rate screenshots, back testing, forward testing, results, this, that, strategies, everything. Who does it live and why don't they? Ask yourself that. Bro, please go away. Why does no one do this live? You at BE, bro? Yeah, man. You can go BE right now. I don't do it, but yeah, you are certified, bro. I appreciate that, bro. Everyone, make sure you get in the Discord, man. Oh, shit, that's just... Alright, sweet. I've quickly got to turn this off. Yeah, boys. But listen, just got to get in the Discord, man. Louis, much love, no homo. Big up, bro. Big up to you, my guy. That's me for the day. Lovely. Lovely CT. Looking textbook with chess. Trust me, bro. My man, the GOAT. Not gonna lie. Come on, bro. Do this shit every day on live. Day after day after day. Go back. Watch yesterday's stream. I traded the exact same strategy from start to finish and won the trade again. Like, all I did, right? So the Asia low swept. We swept the Asia low. We wait for a confirmation. This one here was the imbalance. And then we get in to the Asia high. Let me show you yesterday's position. All right, so we had two. We had an original entry, then a re-entry. Let me get rid of this quickly just so you can see it a bit clearer. So again, we took the Asia high. We waited for a fair value gap, exact same thing. You can see fair value gap there. Entry on the fair value gap, stop loss on the high, TP on the Asia low. Simple as that. All it is, Asia liquidity and then wait for your confirmation. Obviously, I've traded this shit day in, day out for years, so I know the confirmations you need to look for. Like, I'll just save you a year of pissing about with this strategy because I just know it so well. But yeah, took the Asia high, wait for your confirmation, sell to the Asia low. Right, that was yesterday, all on stream, all documented. And then this is today. Pretty much the same thing, right? Low taken. Aim for the Asia high, wait for our confirmation, and boom, get in. Simple as that, boys. There's no need to overcomplicate it. Find something that works, that's consistent, that's specific, and just trade that every day. You man know, I trade this strategy every single day. You man do not know what this strategy has done for my life. Like, bruv. Real talk. Certain man that have been following me for a while know the Lord, know the motion, but if you don't know the motion, trust me, me and Mace, who obviously I run this group with, we have got more motion than literally 99 out of 100 people doing trading. But we just don't post about it every day. Me and Mason's got an office in the best building in London, the best building in London for trading in Canary Wharf. Pretty much the top floor, floor 37, did that for a year with my best mate, got an office, just traded, rent was like £5 a month. Then pissed off to Thailand, moved there, went to like 3-4 countries there, lived in the nicest road on Thailand, Char Weng Noi Hill, you can Google it. Char Weng Noi Hill. Yeah, I've even got a day in the life on my YouTube so you can see the crib. Did that for like a year. Now I'm back in the UK, and this is why I'm grinding the socials now, because now I want my socials to blow. I've had my fun, and now it's time to bring people with me. So big up if you've been following me for a while. But if you're just finding me now, get ready for the, you know what I mean? We've got the entertainment aspect on lock, and we're also actually good. People are entertaining, yeah, but we actually know how to trade, and we put our money where our mouth is. My Val had 1% of drawdown left. Somehow I managed to get it back to break even. Now this trade should put me 2% up, hopefully. Lovely, bro. Lovely, mate. Lovely to hear. Let's go, chat. Just broke that candle high again. 2 secs, boys. I'm quickly reading my YouTube chat. If you man want to watch on YouTube, obviously, just on the right there. Get at that. Make sure you join in the motion, though, boys. You don't want to lose this motion, I can't lie. This is unparalleled motion in trading. Your next person that you bump into about trading is not going to be as good as us. Fact. Like, unless you're bumping into fucking someone who's been trading for like 50 years and his jokes and streams every day, which you ain't, so... W, killing it, boys. Let's go. Louis, much love, no homo. Let's go. Got my challenge back to BE. My boy, got to be consistent. Now eventually pass it. Let's go. Facts, the realist on the net. Respect all you're doing and getting my money up. Love. Big up, bro. Appreciate that, Elliot. Loving this. Thank you for being so real. Come on. Big up to you, persistence. And correct. It's very rare. Big up. I've never done that backtesting shit. I just hammered the demos and live accounts. Yeah, I don't really fuck with backtesting like that. Because the biggest thing with trading is your psychology. That's why I'm so big with my members, to watch these markets live. Even if you're not trading, I've watched the London session play out every day for 3 years. Like, not going back and looking. I'm talking tick for tick like we're doing now, watching everything form. Like the context you get from that's unparalleled. You're not going to get that from backtesting. Sorry, 2 secs. Get the likes up. We're getting our money up. Let's go, boys. We are getting our money up, not our funny. What pairs work best with the ALG? EU, GU, EG. Yeah, literally, bro. It's just your pairs that are native to that session. So you want to be trading your pairs that are native to the time you're trading. So if you're trading London hours like we are, Euro and the pound are going to be moving really nice. Obviously partnered with the dollar to give it that nice liquidity and movement. And then obviously if you're trading the New York session, you mainly want to be trading dollar pairs like dollar, CAD, even your indices as well that people trade. I think I'm at the point now where I'm going to buy another account. Lou, you still doing ACG? Yeah, bro, use my code RICHES with ACG and you'll get a discount. I'll also let you in the signals as well for a free week. 2 secs, boys. I'm reading I'll read the TikTok chat in just a sec. I'm just finishing these comments. Been watching you a couple of months. You're the truth. Big up, money, bro. Big up. Real recognize real. Always remember that. Nice, mate. I'm at 1.5% drawdown, slowly recovering. Nice. Big up yourself. Appreciate that, bro. Minor, mate. One trader, you're back here. Trust. I worked in Canary Wharf. Was working in a Chinese bank for ages. Oh, that's 30. That's sick. Been on the Discord for a year. Time to dig deep. That's it. Canary is beautiful, not gonna lie. Yeah, boys. David, if you see David in the chat, he had a one-to-one with me in Canary. I showed him the trader lifestyle. He can vouch that it is banging. Brother, can you tell me what's trade logic? Yeah, no worries. Give me 2 secs and I'll explain that. Like the stream, boys. Trust me. Lou, can I give you a DM? Yeah, DM me, man. If you want to DM me. I'm down 3.6 in my last phase of my funded. This strat will help me pass. 100% WBS. Just be consistent with it. Keep tuning in. You'll be sweet. Mr. Canary Wolf scenery on the live. Yeah, trust me, bro. But I'm going to be here, there, and everywhere soon, innit? I've got bare holidays, but well, not holidays, but I've got bare trips booked. And I'm going to be taking you, man, day. You, man, know me. Boys, if you, man, as well on TikTok know me, I've been to bare different countries. Every day I will not miss a stream. I will be in any country. I will, no matter what the time zone is, no matter where I am, I will still be live. Where was I live, bro? One time in Bangla Road. If you man have ever been to Thailand, you know Bangla Road. It's like in Phuket, there's this one road that they basically say, like, do not stay there, innit? Like, it's too much. There's too many brasses. It's too active. But I was only there for like a few days. Bro, I was staying in there in some, it wasn't grotty actually, it was banging, to be fair. Banging Airbnb. But it was on Bangla Road. I was still trading there, still going live. Trust me, boys. Like, nothing will put us off this. Nothing will put us off going live. So if you man are looking for people that are consistent every day, you can rely on more than you can rely on your fucking self, then that's us. YouTube chat goats. Come on, Blue Sky. YouTube chat versus TikTok chat. Nah, big up on both, I can't lie. Obviously, YouTube, you man are a bit more locked in because you man know me. But TikTok's getting there, innit? TikToks are getting there. W Streamer, appreciate that, bro. We need a Riches holiday. Give me some suggestions of locations for the Riches holiday. What's your Discord? It's just on the right there. Just screenshot that if you can. Or still, if you can comment it on the chat and pin it, that would be sweet. Trade from Friday didn't play out, sadly. What one was that, bro? YouTube is about an hour behind. Nah, allow it. YouTube's like what? A minute behind? Half a minute? Oh, I'm lagging a bit on YouTube. TP at Asia High. Yeah, bro. So hopefully this candle can get eaten up a little bit. Yeah, YouTube's a bit more locked in, but yeah, let me scroll up for these comments. Hang on. Right, there's bare comments, so I'm trying to get through to them all, but if I missed them, just put them again, innit? I'm going to start with this one. Why did you take a short yesterday but a long today? Because we trade the Asia liquidity grab, bro, so your overall bias doesn't really matter. All that matters is you're moving from the Asia high to the Asia low. That's why it's such a good strategy, because you don't really need daily bias. Can't lie, I had to come here from TikTok chat being hard ignored. No. Alright, that's Moody as well. Yeah, he's been in it a few times. I said hard ignored. Now you're about to get hard ignored the other way around. I've literally just finished reading YouTube, so now I'm reading all the TikToks. Yeah, there's the Discord there, boys. Copy and paste it in browser. in the exact same trade. Lovely, bro. Big up to everyone who's just followed. Do you wait for AL to sweep, tap in and change character? Yeah, bro, that's it. Watch my most recent YouTube video. I literally break down how I trade the strategy. I've got a cheat sheet screen at the end so you can just copy it. Funded or live? Funded, bro. Funded. Big fact, respect it, take it in, people. Free game. Yeah, free source right here. Yeah, trust me, bro. EU or G, you better. I like them both the same, bro. EU's been a bit better correlated with the DXY recently, though. Minimum risk reward you take. Mine's 2 to 1, bro. You trade the exact same London strat I have for the past few years. Literally, bro. Glad you said that. I've traded that for years as well, man. Years as well. Man, you're real. Thanks. I'm direct from Uganda, East Africa. Much. Big up East Africa. Big up Uganda. Come on. How far EU could push today, bro? That's the beauty of the Asia liquidity strategy again, boys. So, people was telling me this yesterday in the chat, and I was saying the reason why I trade Asia liquidity, because it doesn't really matter where we go. You lot will see, we are trading the Asia high getting taken and then moving into the Asia low. Like, that is literally all that is what we're trading. So it doesn't matter if we go any more, which is why it's so good. Because, for example, yesterday, right, you'll see, what did we do? We literally just manipulated. We took the high, took the low, and then just shot up. All we're doing, if you aim for the Asia low, it doesn't matter. Literally, what I said, if you could rewind the stream yesterday, hopefully you man on YouTube and some of you on here can vouch. I said, once we get there, I don't care what we do. I don't care if we go bomb, or I don't care if we go all the way down again. I'm aiming from the Asia high to the Asia low, because there's liquidity there. I couldn't care less if once we take this low, we move 100 pips to the upside, which is ironically what we actually did, you know, which is why Asia liquidity is a certain strategy. First stop Ibiza. Yeah, what you saying? Ibiza. Well, how do you say it again? Ibiza. That's it, innit? Ibiza. First stop Ibiza. Who's coming? Who's coming to Ibiza then with us? We do actually know, if anyone's seen the Ibiza final boss, that is actually like a friend of Riches, innit? That is no cap as well. We know that, bruh. We might link up with him. Chill out with the electronic gems, cause see, none of these songs were even on, bruv. Do you know what I mean? There's all just this one there. This is the one I like. Bro, come on. Sea Trader on top ammo. Alright, Sea Trader. No, I don't like Sea Trader. I'll be honest, mate. I find it hard to use anything apart from MetaTrader. I'll be real. Let's break this high, chat. Come on. Let's break this high, boys. We're about 2 hours up right now. Do you use BE? Nah, bro, rarely, I'll be honest. We teach our traders to hold till full TP or full SL, whatever it may be. If you're going to win, you're going to win. You're going to lose, you're going to lose. It's another thing we're big on that people aren't. It's just the reality of being psychologically strong in trading. That's a bit loud, isn't it? You can complete the Asia liquidity grab strat in the morning, then overall trend continue. Yeah. TP's Asia highs. Yeah, bro, can't lie. Oh, yeah. Cancun, Mexico is sick. Yeah, Bear Man's been telling me to go Mexico recently. Bear people's been telling me go Mexico, but there's a few places I want to go first. I want to go a bag of places in Spain first. I want to go, I know it's drawn out, but I do want to go Dubai. I've got a couple people I want to meet there as well in Dubai. It's good for work, Dubai as well. Plus, you get off the puff. I don't know if anyone else, how can I say this without saying it? Let me just show you into my drawer and this should probably say it. Yeah, I don't know if anyone else thingies, but obviously I do bears and I'm trying to quit, so let's go. Breaking that high. If you men are wondering what I just showed, it's just a bag of Rizzler in my fucking drawer. Quick thoughts on GU. GBP. To be fair, bro, you've been asking for GBP AUD for the longest time, so I'm gonna I'm going to go on there again now. I'm just going to update the Discord in a minute. CMC markets are so dead. Bro, let's go away. Sorry chat, apologise. Do you go BE? Just got back last night. Oh nice. Where from, bro? From Ibiza. My strategy's a bit different, fair play. Which video did you explain your strategy? It's called something like what is it called? I don't know, innit? You wouldn't see it. It's one of the most recent ones. I started uploading on YouTube again like last week, innit? So man's fully back on socials. Just got back last night. Lovely. Bearman's been going away recently. Do you even look at MetaTrader to check how much you're up? Nah, bro, so I'm literally on my phone. There's no point checking. Like, it's just going to prank me out. That's all it's going to be. Took me 2 years to learn to trade. Wait, told you guys. Wait, what did you say, Omni? I'm in the same MetaTrader since day. Just can't switch. Yeah, that's literally like me. Sometimes markets will run to entry, tap you out and run to TP or something. Yeah, that's why I don't do it. If you go to Dubai, make sure you do the skydive over the palm. Yeah, I quite like that stuff like that. I'll be real. I'm not really scared of all heights and that. Tenerife is a Spain spot. Yeah, but mate, it's just a bit booky there. Not booky, but there's just a load of badness going on. I just want to chill out a bit. I don't really want to get like mangled and that really and getting scraps. I more just want to chill out, do some work. Looking at the charts, Friday saying Kels. Yeah, trust me, bro. Trust me. Yeah, Ibiza, lovely. How do you identify the daily trade open? It's just a 5 AM opening time, bro. I've just got it on my indicator. It's built into my that Rich S indicator I showed you, which is our own indicator. Just join the Discord there, bro, and I'll send you over this indicator. So it marks true day open, true week open, previous day high, previous day low, previous day 50%, previous week high, week low, previous week 50%, Asia session, obviously London session, New York, etc., etc. Right? Anything you need is really there. In terms of this, bro, in terms of, Tommy, you asked for GBP AUD. So you can see we've taken the Asia low out there. And we've got the Asia high to trade into here. So your confirmation on the 15 or the 10. There was nice confirmation on the 10 minute. Yeah, so you can see we have that inversion fair value gap there. My head's in the way. That inversion fair value gap there. Where we took the low. We had a big sharp sell off to take the low. Left a fair value gap, which was then disrespected. That would be your entry there. So I'm not gonna lie, I would have already tapped in. I'm assuming you might have already tapped in anyway. But same thing that I did on EU. Entry at the bottom just for the RR. Stop loss on the low and TP on the high. I mean, yeah, it's already tapped in. To be fair, you could go off 50% because the RR is actually pretty decent. So yeah, depends, bro, what you went in on, what you got in on. Nice. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. What I'm going to do, yo, if you man want to see how much I'm up on this trade, I'm going to show the YouTube stream how much I'm up. And there is a tiny lag on the YouTube stream. So if you man want to quickly open up YouTube, go to my channel. I'm about to show my MetaTrader so you can see proof that I'm in and proof how much I'm in, right? There's the trade. Go to my YouTube now, innit? I'm going to be showing these man now. Hope I've been fucking tapped in. Alright, there we go. I'm going to close that now. It's about to TP. Boom, boys. Let's go, chat. Let's go, boys. Let's fucking go. Come on, boys. Let's go. 5 bags of sand for the day. Let's go. Oh, I nearly just knocked over that coffee. Right, I'm going to go back on YouTube. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Woo! Let's go, boys. Let's get some W's in the chat, boys. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. what we love to see, boys. Boom. 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 No BWs like Riches. Come on. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Chat's going off right now. Chat's popping off right now. Oh, big up to everyone in the chat. We're popping. Boys, take this shit in. Trust me. You trading on a 200k? Yes, I am, bro. If you just went over to the YouTube stream, you would have seen that's 5 bags of sand made before 10 a.m. What we going to do now, boys? The sun's out. The sun's shining. We're 5 bags up. The members are laughing. The Signal members are laughing. The mentorship are laughing. TikTok laughing. YouTube laughing. The neighbours are laughing. It's a good day, man. It's a good day. That trade was a banger. Appreciate that, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. 4% on the phase 2. Let's go, man. Let's go. Big W's in the chat. Let's fucking go. And that is a masterclass how to trade live. Trust me, bro. Absolute rocket. Trust me. Chat is popping off. Nearly 5% made on my 10. Hey, big up for the cap. Come on. Come on. Big up for the cap. Let's fucking go. Let's go, chat. Let's go. We cook, chat. Everyone go on Discord. Send your profits to the profit section. And at me as well. Yeah, we got once you're in the Discord, there's a section that says profits. Every day we just send it there just to big up everyone. Do you know what I mean? Get the community going, motivation, congratulations, everything like that. But send your profits into there so I can see everyone making. It makes me even happier when I see that other people have made off it. Let's go, chat. Missed this trade. Unlucky, bro. Unlucky. Yeah, nice. W, big W. Come on, boys. Let's go. Make sure if you're watching this stream, you drop a like and you hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. Boom, boom. Trust me. Easy stuff. Let's go. What's your strat? Asia liquidity grab, bro. Appreciate the cap, AP. Let's fucking go. Trust me. Made 2.8R on GU. Lovely, bro. We identified this trade on pre-London with the members. Yeah, man, I can't lie. We cooked this trade. We are live with our mentorship students every single day at 6 a.m. through to 8 a.m. And we're obviously marking up this trade, looking at it. We also send it into the signals as well. Major lag, yeah, I can imagine. But I can't really do nothing about it. Lou, my goat. Come on. Big up, Cleary. Big up to everyone. Big up to everyone in the chat. 2-hour bonus time unlocked. Wait, what's this? Bonus time? I don't know what this is. Oh, I don't want to do that. But let's go, boys. What a great stream. How much is the mentorship? This is the other thing. I could charge 1 grand, 2 grand, 3 grand, even 5 grand for my mentorship. I've literally made it less than 50 quid a month. It's £48 or something. £48 a month. So it's absolutely dirt cheap. That is with every single concept you see of me trading on stream or on screen. I trade that. I have a video exactly breaking down everything. So fair value gaps, Asia liquidity, inversion fair value gaps, weekly tropen, daily tropen, Asia liquidity grab strategy. What else have we got on here? Market structure, higher time frame market structure, momentum, change of characters. Literally everything I ever trade, I've got a video on. And I also have a video on my strategy and then a case studies. So I have like over pretty much 35, 40 videos like this where I've caught the trade on live using the strategy. Then I'll go back. Appreciate the trade, lad. You made me racks. Big up. Let's go. 3k in the bank. Let's go. Come on, boys. Let me take some screenshots of this. Boys, make sure you send your profits. If you want to say thanks to me, then just send your profits to the profit section, because then I can see that you've made money and it makes me gassed. It makes me gassed for you, man. But yeah, what was I gonna say? Yeah, and then I've got a case study. So trades like this, I'll go back, record. Okay, this is why I took it. Break it down. This strategy as well is broken down literally intrinsically. Like if everyone can attest to this. If you're in my mentorship, you know how to trade this. Like it's as simple as that. And on top of all of that, boys, I am live with everyone every single day from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. 2 hours before I'm live on TikTok and YouTube. We're live with the members, breaking everything down. So yeah, that is my mentorship. If you want to get in, it's $48 a month or something like that. And I've also got signals where you can just copy the trades I personally take on my funded accounts. And that's £100 a month. have been profitable 13 out of the 14 months we've been going. And on the losing month, we only lost 1 art. So yeah, 13 out of 14 months we've been profitable. Posted all our results as well, so all fully verified and vouched. You man know me anyway. I do this shit all on live. And I can show you proof quickly just now. If you go, so this is the trade sent in. If Discord wants to load his bomber self. There we go. You can see, let me just full screen it real quick. You can see buy limit there, 847 it was sent in, and then there's the levels at the side. You can see we actually tapped in at 9:10, lovely. I just made 3k on the train on the way to pick up my new Audi. Mate, that is the life of a Richesse trader. Boys, if you actually don't think this stuff translates into real world profit, Stu has been with us for literally near enough since Richesse started. We started mentoring Stu years ago. And now he's a massive member of our team. He's a profitable trader, multi 6-figure funded, sending in signals. Obviously helps out with way more stuff as well. But yeah, he's recently bought a car off his trading profits, and he's going to go pick it up now, and he's made 3 bags on the way. And if you don't believe him, I'm sure he'll send a picture of the motor into the Discord later, man, when he gets there. What's the settings indicator you got? It's kind of long me showing you, bro. Actually, fuck it, I'll just show you. To be fair, I don't really just screen record now, innit? If you want to copy my settings, screen record now. I'm going to scroll through it. It'll take long if not, innit? I wish I could fast forward to this time next year. Everyone should be up by then. Literally, bro. Just lock in money, man. Just lock in, my boy. W times 1,000. Let's go. I don't know how anyone who was watching missed the entry. It gave bare chances. Yeah, it did tap in hella times, but if you missed, boys, unlucky. Profits is popping off. Let's go. Love to hear it. I'm going to check profits in a minute. Alright, if you're screen recording, I'm going to scroll down my things now. These are all unticked anyway, so it don't matter. The only thing actually, sorry, you want to have ticked that. I'll drop my settings on there anyway, innit? Fuck it. Yeah, just go on the Discord later. Just someone at me in the Discord chat, and I'll just send my settings later. It'll be way easier for you man to copy. Profits is popping off, lovely, easy stuff. Trust me, Ryan. Let's go, man. Chat's loving it. Big up to the YouTube. Hopefully we can break my record for the most likes on a stream today. I'm trying to grow it every day. I'll touch for this also. It's Imran from the Discord. Lovely, bro. Oh, I vouch for these guys also. Lovely, bro. Appreciate that, my boy. What session indicator? Yeah, big up Imran as well. Big up to Imran, my guy. How do I get started? My Discord's there, bro. Just type that into your browser, or someone comment in Discord and then paste it in browser, or just send me a message on here, or send me a message on my Insta. Anything like that, just send me a message. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get you either in the free chat, which is just all my free stuff, and you can obviously watch my YouTube and stuff like that. I'll get you in the community, or I'm gonna get you in my mentorship if you can afford it, which is £40 a month, and it's gonna teach you exactly what you're seeing now, how to trade that completely and utterly from the start to where I am now. Literally everything is there. Or if you want even more than that, then I'll get you in the signals as well, which is £100 a month, and that's obviously with all my trades. So this week on the signals we are up 2.5 RR. So if you want a signal group you can actually make money from and just place them on a funded account, make a little 2 grand here, 2 grand there, then yeah, the signals is your place for it, man. I've got to go, catch you later. Sweet Corey. But yeah, big up to everyone. Took the same trade, bro. Lovely to hear it. Right, it is 10 o'clock, boys. So I stopped trading at 10 o'clock. So what I'm going to do, you're going to look for a short now or no? Nah, bro. Nah, it's me done for the day. So we trade from 7 to 10. So when you join the mentorship, I'm going to teach you to trade my strategy, which is 7 AM you start, 10 AM you're done, and that's it. We never break that rule. We never trade after it. So I am now done for the day. I showed the YouTube stream. I'll show the TikTok later. We made a nice amount of dough, 5 bags, And yeah, we're done for the day. That's it. That's the beauty. Once you learn to trade the way I trade, you really discipline yourself, dedicate yourself to it. Trading can be fun as well, boys. Like, you will have fucking fun in this community, mate. Like, you'll have fun in this community. Trust me. And so I hope to see a lot of you boys in there, man. Discord is there. Hope to see you, man, in there. By the way, when you join the Discord, my name is Louis, innit? You'll recognise me. My name will be in gold. We've got Louis. I go live every London session. And we've got Mason, who's my best mate. And he goes live every New York session. And his name's in gold as well. What if your strategy doesn't show itself till 11 AM? Nah, I won't take it, bro. You've got to be really, really strict with your rules. Really, really strict rules. Do you trade indices? Nah, bro. If it's not fixed, it's not broke. If it's not fixed, wait, what? If it's not broken, don't fix it. So I trade EU, GU, and occasionally EG, and that's good enough for me. But yeah, boys, send me a DM on here or on Instagram, which is there, or the easiest place, if you want to message me and get a response ASAP, message me on Discord, innit? So again, my Discord's there, or just if you can't find it, if you're like disabled, then just DM me on here and ask for it, or just go to my Instagram and it's in my Instagram. So just screenshot now so you got all my links there. But yeah, message me on Discord, send me a DM on there. As I said, my name is on gold. Make sure you message me through the Discord, because random people's gonna message you trying to scam you, innit? So this is my name is gold on the Discord. I'm gonna say a message in the free chat now so you man can see me. Yo, W stream. That's me who's just messaged that. Okay, that's Stu. That's Stu when you alright, yeah, boys. He's on his way to get his motor. But big up to everyone who watched today. I'm gonna jump off now. Appreciate everyone. See you boys in New York, if not tomorrow morning. Yeah, big up. Wasn't in the live till late, but took the exact same trade, so prove this strategy is amazing and simple. Big up, Lloyd. I mean, you have been in the mentorship. You've been tuning in. You've been disciplined. You've been dedicated. So you're getting exactly what you deserve, Lloyd, man, which is success. But big up to everyone. Where are you on a funded? Yeah, bro, I'm on a funded. Appreciate you all watching. If you've got any questions, DM me on Discord or on here or on Instagram. But Discord's the easiest place to catch me. Big up to everyone. W stream, boys. W viewers. Let's fucking go. 3% made, and I'll catch you either later for New York stream. I won't be live. Mace will be live, but I'll be in the comments. Or I'll just catch you on DM, or I'll catch you on tomorrow's live. Either way, I'll see you boys in a bit. Big up everyone, and I'll catch you later. Sweet. Fucking hell, my big windows was open for that whole stream, so the whole of my fucking neighbours have just... That is fuming, bro. I've probably got people out there, yeah, working on site, like digging someone's cement out of there. I don't even know, like doing someone's drive, laying the floor in 32-degree heat. Probably has to wear a high vis, has to wear a hard hat, has to wear trousers, has to wear boots, yeah. And they're sitting there with heavy machinery, relaying concrete. They can hear me in here clicking a few buttons and going, boom, 5k made, boom. Do you know what I mean? It must be peak. Us man are in the right line of work for sure. But big up everyone watching today. I'm off, lads. Have a good one. See you lot tomorrow morning, W stream. Trust me, boys, trust me. Big up to everyone. Make sure you drop a like on the stream. I want to make this one my most liked stream that I've ever had. So big up to everyone. And I'm going to catch you in the next stream. Obviously, send me a DM. If you want to get in the mentorship or signal, send me a DM. And yeah, if you want. Also, one-to-ones, boys. Message me one-to-one coaching. Because I'm still taking on a few people for one-to-one coaching. Me and you personally. You'll get my personal WhatsApp. I'm calling you every single day after the streams. Making sure you're locked in. All the rest of it. But yeah, man, make sure you send me a DM for anything you need. Appreciate you boys watching. W viewers today, I can't lie. You man cooked on the chat. You man cooked. You man cooked. We all cooked today. Pretty much an ideal day. And now it's a lovely sunny one to go and enjoy, which is exactly what I'm going to do. But big up to everyone. I'm going to have a YouTube video coming out today. If not today, then it means I got bare hot while I was recording it. And I'm going to put it out tomorrow, innit? I'm just going to keep it real. But I'm going to try and get it out to you today, innit? New video. So big up to everyone watching. And I'll catch you in the next one, boys. Sweet.